Okay, now after the previous videos, you can see it now works. It's not great, and that's probably because of their ducting. But before, it wouldn't even hold up a piece of toilet paper, or I couldn't even get up multiples. Now once you get one piece of toilet paper up here, you have caused a restriction. So once you have caused a restriction, now the velocity and suction on the remaining opening will be stronger than the first one, because now it's all trying to come out of one. So now when you get your second piece, it'll go up there really fast. But as you can, and do you see how this fell away? Watch this. You see that fall away right there? Because the opening is so big, the pressure, the suction on the other side, the static pressure, the minus on the other side, here we're positive pressure, there we're saying, it's not enough to pull up that piece of paper right here. But watch what happens when I plug that up. Did you see that go up? There you go. So now we're definitely pulling, but not good enough. But the rest of that is the problem with their venting going up to the roof, which I'm not going to tear out the sheetrock or anything. At least it's working now. Before it was not working.